Introducing 6 tasty Chicken Tonight simmer sauces from Rosella. Simply brown the chicken, simmer and serve.
Mum, can we have chicken tonight tomorrow?
Chicken tonight.
And the night after. Gotta love the 90s, don't you? I mean, that's a classic, and that ad changed the way we eat chicken forever.
Do you know what the other one was?
What?
Mama's making canton doesn't take long for the word to spread around. You know what I was saying? You know what I'm saying? That advert was pretty foul. Oh. Here were some great tips of how to keep our chook meals exciting and nutritious. Here's Nine Honey's Jane the Graph. Jane, good morning to you. I know you were laughing.
Was she?
Good morning. I'm laughing because I'm going to have that song stuck in my head all day now. Thank you so much.
Do you feel like chicken tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I feel like chicken tonight and tomorrow night and every night afterwards.
How do we keep, because I reckon it's the hardest thing in the world, and when you cook chickens on your own, on their own, to not make them boring. It's such a boring meat.
Oh, I'll fight you on that one. I love chicken, but I've got some great things here that'll help you if you already know how you're going to cook your chicken, like you're doing a roast or you're doing some drumsticks and you just need something sort of to spruce them up a bit. There are side dishes on the market designed specifically to go with chicken on the side and to flavour them. So what you've got are things like sachet sauces and sachet gravies that don't take any extra work, and you can just serve them over the chicken that you've already cooked. You can even do things like lemon chicken these days, or obviously chicken salt. And you've got sachets where you can whip up the gravy yourself if you want to, if you happen to have pan juices and things like that. So there's lots of options.
So what you're saying is you've got to add a lot to it. Why? Because it's boring.
No, you don't have to. This is just... No, you don't. That's if you want to. Chicken is not boring, and I will fight you on it. You can, but if you want to, you can add, like, salts and spices to it.
Because it's boring.
Well, far out, Carl. But all these sauces that you're pointing to here, the ones that come in packets and come in jars, are they any good?
Yep, over here. Okay, so what I love about this is there's so many to choose from. So it really doesn't matter what your flavour preferences are. You'll find something that works for you. So we've got creamy sauces, we've got curries. This is my favourite at the moment. It's the barbecue chicken wings because it gives you the smoky flavour of barbecue without you doing any extra work. The great thing about the sauce jars is that there's really only 2 steps. All you have to do is brown off your meat and then pour the simmer sauces in, and dinner is done in like 20, 25 minutes and on the table. Now, you can add extra things to them. You can add vegetables if you want, but they're designed pretty much to be eaten exactly as they are. So if you don't have time and you've run out of energy to do anything extra, these are really easy meals to get on the table. So they're fantastic. The chicken wings are really fantastic. And then you've got like your curry simmer sauces and things like that. So there's a lot of options. Don't get overwhelmed. Just go, do I want curry? Do I want something creamy? Narrow it down to what kind of sauce you want, and then just grab one from the shelves because they're all kind of a price point. They're all pretty similar in terms of dietary value. It just comes down to brand loyalty in the end. Like, do you like Patak's? Do you like chicken tonight? Which butter chicken on the market is your favourite, and just go with that. And butter chicken is a good one to compare because pretty much every brand does a butter chicken. All right,
and Carl was lying because he doesn't think chicken's boring. You're a breast man. Alex is a thigh guy. What's the tastiest cut?
Oh, I'm a wing. I'm a wing girl all the way. You get the crunchy bits on the end. I love it. I'm a chicken wing lady. Did I get around that one okay?
Yeah, you did. You did quite well. Well done, by the way.
I actually like the chicken's bum.
Who likes the bum?
Do you want to talk about the sachet sauces? Let's talk about the sachet sauces quickly because they're a little bit different to the jar sauces. The jar sauces take about 20 minutes to cook. The sachet sauces tend to be more in the stir-fry range of things, so they are really, really quick. It's literally wok-style cooking, most of it. So again, 2 steps, you brown off your chicken and then you throw the sauce in, but they're done in like 10, 15 minutes, and all you need to do is serve them with some rice. So I quite like these if you really, really are pressed for time. What I also like about them is because of the quick cook time, if you're adding vegetables to these dishes, the vegetables stay nice and crispy and crunchy, so you are going to get a little bit more nutritional value if you're adding vegetables to these ones, and that's a great way to get more veggies into your diet and to make these a little bit healthier for you. So I actually quite like the sort of sachet-style stir-fry sauces. They're pretty good.
Beautiful. Love
Sounds very good. Thank you, Jane.
Do you eat the bum?
No,
I love it.
Bum's yuck.
Why? What? It's delicious.
Do you eat the chicken bum?
I didn't know you could get chicken bum.
Yeah, it's the parson's nose.
What?
Yeah, it's like it's just a fatty piece of deliciousness.
Oh, OK.
Oh, yeah, it's the best.
The neck, not the bum.
No, the bum. Not the neck. They're very different.
They are opposite ends.
If your neck's near your bum, you're in big trouble.
That's true.
I'd be sending that chicken back.
Oh, my God. mean,
Two ends.
poor Bonnie.
Both ends. I'm saying they're both parts of the chicken.
talking about something.
You don't eat.
It's okay.
You don't eat the
Okay, straight ahead.